Good morning, students. In previous class, what we learnt about the decimals. Okay, which are the decimal numbers, how to add and subtract the decimal numbers, and how to multiply the decimal numbers. These are all the topics we are learnt in previous class. Okay, in this class, we shall learn about the division of decimal numbers. Okay, how to divide the decimal number by a whole number and a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, at first we have to learn about the division of decimal number by a whole number. Okay, how to divide the decimal number by whole number. Let's see. Okay, for example, we have to divide the decimal number by a whole number, which means the divide decimal number, which means 6.4. Okay, this is a decimal number divided by 2. We have to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Here 6.4 is a decimal number, 2 is a whole number. We have to divide a 6.4 by 2. Okay, we have to divide this by this. Okay, how do you divide a decimal number by a whole number? Let's see. Okay, I already learnt in previous class how to write the decimal number into a fraction. Okay, we know that how to write the decimal number by a into a fraction. Okay, let's see how to solve this. We have to write the 6.4. Okay, 6.4 is a decimal number. Now we have to write this in fractions. Okay, how do you write? We know that 6.4. Okay, 6.4 is equal to, we can write it as a 64 divided by 10. Okay, we can write it as 64 divided by 10, because of here we have a point after a one digit, so we have to write in denominator 10. Okay, 64 divided by 10, which is equal to the 6.4. Okay, so we can write it as a 64 divided by 10. Okay, thus we convert the decimal number into a fraction. Okay, at first we have to convert decimal number into a fraction, which means 64. Okay, 64 divided by 10 whole divided by 2. Okay, now the denominator of the numerator. Okay, denominator of the numerator is comes to the denominator, which means the 10 is comes to denominator. Okay, denominator of the numerator is comes to the denominator. Okay, which means 64 divided by 2 into 10. Okay, 10 comes to denominator. Okay, now we can write it as 64 divided by 10 twos are how much? 20. Okay, now we have to divide a 64 by 20. Now we have to divide a 64 by 20. Okay, let's see how do you, we know that how to divide, you know, the division of the fractions. Okay, how to divide the fractions and how to divide the numbers. Okay, now we have to divide the 64 by 20. How many times? 3 times. Okay, 23 is how much? 60. A remainder is 4. Okay, the 4 is less than 20, so we put point, you can write as a 0. Now it will becomes a 40. Okay, 20 divides 40 how many times? 2 times. Okay, 22 is a 40. We get remainder 0. Okay, when we are dividing 64 by a 20, we get 3.2. Okay, 3.2 is the answer. Okay, thus we divide the decimal number by a whole number. Okay, you see the one more example, that is this divide. Okay, second one, divide 12.94. Okay, 12.94 divided by 4. Okay, now here 12.94 is a decimal number, here 4 is a whole number. Now we have to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Okay, we know that what is the first step? We have to convert the decimal number into a fraction. Okay, decimal number into a fraction. Okay, how do you convert the decimal number into a fraction? Okay, here we having a 12.94. Okay, here we having a point after two digits. Okay, which means we have to write the 2 zeros in the denominator, which means 1294 divided by 100. Okay, here we have a point after 2 digits, so we write the 100, which means 2 zeros in the denominator. Okay, thus we convert the decimal number into a fraction. Okay, now it is a in fraction. Okay, 1294 divided by 100. Okay, we can write it as a 12.94. we can write it as a 1294 divided by 100. Okay, now we have to write a write it as a 1294 divided by 100 whole divided by, in the denominator 4 is there, okay, 4. Now we know that the denominator of the numerator is comes to the denominator, okay, the 100 will comes to denominator, then 1294 divided by 100 into 4, okay, 100 into 4. Now it is in the fraction, okay. Now we have to multiply the 100 into 4. How much? 1294 divided by 4 into 100 is 400, okay. Now we have to divide a 1294 from 100, okay. Now we have to divide this. Now you have to divide the 1294 by a 400. Now we have to divide a 1294 by a 400, okay, which means 1294 from 400, okay. Now we have to divide this how many times? 3 times, okay. 400 3s are 1200, okay. 4 3s are 12. I put a 2 zeros, okay. Now 4 here 9 0 0, okay. Now we are having a 44 remainder, okay. 44 is less than 400, so we put a point, right, a 0, okay. Now 940, 400 divides 940 how many times? 2 times, okay. 400 2s are 800, okay. Again we get a 140 is the remainder, okay. 140 is less than 400, so we put a another 0. Now it will become say 1400, okay. 400 divides 1400 how many times? Again 3 times, 1200. Again we get a 200 is the remainder, okay, and so on, okay. Finally the answer is 3.23, okay. When we are dividing 400 1294 by a 400, we get 3.23 is the answer, okay. Thus we divide the decimal number by a whole number, okay. Next we move on to the division of decimal number by a decimal number, okay. Now division of decimal number by a decimal number, okay. Now we have to divide a one decimal number by a another decimal number. Then how do you find out the how do you divide the decimal number by a another decimal number? Let's see one example, that is divide 25.5 divided by 0.5, okay. Here is a problem, that is 25.5 divided by 0.5, okay. Here both are decimal numbers, okay. 25.5 is a decimal number and 0.5 is also a decimal number. Now we have to divide a 25.5 by 0.5, okay. Before we go into the division, we have to convert this decimal number into a fractions, okay. Then how do you convert the fractions? Let's see. Here 25.5, then now we have to convert this into a fraction, okay, which means we are having a point after a one digit, which means in denominator we write as a 10 because 10, okay, because of we have a point after a one digit, so it will we can write it as a 255 divided by 10, okay. Now and another now decimal number is 0.5. Here also same, we having a point after a one digit, so we can write it as a 5 by 10, okay. When we are simplifying this, we get again 0.5. Here also same, when we are simplifying this, again we get a 25.5, okay. Thus we convert into a decimal number into a fractions, okay. Now we can write it as 25.5, we can write it as a 255 divided by 10 whole divided by. Now here we can write it as a 0.5 as 5 divided by 10, 5 divided by 10, okay. Already here the division of a fraction by a fraction again, okay. In the previous class we learnt about how to divide the fraction by a fraction, okay. We already learnt the fraction by a fraction, okay. Here the denominator of the denominator is goes to numerator, okay. Denominator of the denominator is goes to numerator, and the denominator of the numerator comes to the denominator, okay. This is the rule, okay. When we are dividing a for two fractions, we have to follow this, okay. A denominator of the denominator is goes to the numerator, and the denominator of the numerator is comes to denominator, okay. Now it has now 255. Now this 10 is goes to the numerator, that into 10 divided by, now this 10 comes to the denominator, which means 5 into 10. Okay, now this 10 will get cancelled. Okay, now here we having a 255 divided by 5. Okay, now we have to divide a 255 by 5. Then how do you divide? Let's see. 255 I have to divide from a 5. How many times? 5 5 is a 25. We get remainder 0 here, and one more 5 is there. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, remainder is 0. When we are dividing 255 from 5, we get 51 is the answer. Okay, the 51 is final answer. Okay, thus we divide a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, next you see the one more example, that is divide 0.5. Okay, 0.5 divided by 0.25. Okay, here we having a two decimal numbers. Okay, we know that at first we have to convert the decimal number into a fractions. Okay, 0.5. Okay, here we have a point after a one digit, so we can write it as a 5 by 10. Okay, now another decimal number is 0.25. Here we having a point after two digits, so we can write it as a 25 divided by 100. Okay, when we are simplifying this, we get a 0.25. Okay, now we can write it as 0.5 as a 5 by 10 whole divided by, okay, we can write it as 0.25 as a 25 divided by 100. Okay, 100. Now here we have to divide the fraction by a fraction. We know that the denominator of the denominator is goes to the numerator, and the denominator of numerator is comes to the denominator. Okay, now it means 5 into 100 divided by 25 into 10. Okay, now this 0 get cancelled. Okay, now 5 into 10 how much? 50 divided by 25 ones are 25. Okay, 50 divided by, so now we having a 50 divided by 25. Now we have to divide a 50 from 25. Okay, then how do you divide? Let's see. 25 divides 50 how many times? 2 times. So 25 2s are 50. We get remainder 0, so we get final answer 2. Okay, thus we divide the decimal number by a decimal number. Okay students, in this class we learnt about how to divide the decimal number by a whole number, and how to divide the decimal number by a decimal. Okay, in next class we will continue the decimal numbers. Thank you.